Assalamu alaikum. I'm here to share another beautiful, very easy recipe with you, and that is beef pastry. You can call it beef pasty, and let me show you how I make it. And for the beef pastry, you're going to need 60 to 70 grams of green peas, 200 grams of chopped onions, 20 grams of crushed garlic, 20 grams of ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, and here I have 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of crushed or cracked coriander seeds, 1.5 tablespoon of fanugreek leaves, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1.5 tablespoon of red chili flakes, and over here I have 500 grams of lean beef mince. I have washed it and drained all the excess water. And of course you are going to need 2 puff pastry ready roll sheets and some cooking oil. Let's cook. In the wok you should add 1, 2, 3 and 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, and turn your flame up. Add the onions, just mix this for a few seconds in there. Now I'm going to add crushed garlic into it, and all we have to do is cook both of these things for 4 to 5 minutes. You just need to soften the onions up. You do not need to brown them. When the onions and garlic becomes translucent, then we will add the beef mince into it. It has been 3 minutes and our onions look nice and soft. It's not brown at all, as you can see. Keep your flame on the lower side, otherwise you might burn the garlic, and it will affect the whole flavor. And let's add, it's 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add the beef mince in there and combine both of these things together. And you can see the beef looks pink at the moment, and when it changes the color, it's going to look a bit whitish or light in color. And then now you should put the flame to high side and just cook for a minute maybe. It's going to change the color, and then we will add all of our other ingredients. It looks pretty white to me. It's not pink anymore, or doesn't give the raw look. Now we can add all of our spices and the ginger, peas, and just mix it. Everything has been mixed very well. Now you just set your timer for 10 minutes and cook the mince on medium to high heat, stirring occasionally, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now mix this really well. Now my flame is on medium to low, and I'm going to cover it and keep the flame on kind of low, and then see you after 5 minutes. Let's check the mince now. It's going well. Another 2 minutes, and then it's ready. It has been 8 minutes. Keep your flame from medium to low, because we do not want to over dry the mince. It has been 10 minutes. I've turned it off, and at this stage you can check the salt. You can add a little bit salt or soy sauce to adjust the salt according to your taste, and then let it cool down. And after that we are going to fill our pastries. Our filling is ready. It has been cooled down. Now you can cut the pastry sheet however you want to, and squares or little rectangle shapes. And now you should wet the edges. It's going to help to seal the sides when we're done with the filling. You can either use plain water and apply with your fingertip, or you can use egg wash, and let's do that. That's it. And then you should take a generous amount of filling and place it right in the middle of the pastry sheet, like that. I like a lot of filling in there. Just take 2 corners, keep the filling in the middle, take 2 corners and squeeze them, press them together, and after that you should press the edges on one side while it's sitting on the worktop. Press them, close it securely. Here you can see, and it looks like a cone now. So you can lift it up and then make sure this side is closed, and then with a small spoon you can press the filling in. If you feel like adding some more filling, add that, like this, and it looks like a cone. Now you should just press with your finger and wipe it clean, and then press these two edges together to close this side of the pastry as well. You can see it's a triangle. Now put it back on the worktop like that and press it down a little bit, and then take the fork and press these ends together to make sure that the edges are sealed and the filling will stay inside. So with the fork, just make a shape a little bit like that, and our triangular shaped pastry is ready. Let's make another one. Hold the two corners, press them together, and then keep the filling in. Press the ends like that, lift it up, press the filling in, and then join these sides. Put it back on the worktop, gently squeeze it down the sides, not the middle part, just the sides, and with the help of fork secure the ends like that. Now all our pastries are ready, and this is the time that we can just take some egg wash. It's just a beaten egg. You can add a little bit of water in there and brush it all over the pastry like that. Once you're done with this step, you can either put in your oven to cook them or air fryer. I find air fryer very quick and easy. You don't have to wait for 15-20 minutes of preheating. You just brush it with the egg, place it in the air fryer, set the temperature to 180 degrees centigrade and cook for 10 minutes. So it's ready to go into the air fryer. The pastries are in. Close the air fryer and set the temperature to 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. Press start. It's ready. That's beautiful. Let's take them out. Ooh, it's hot. I'm going to need something to lift it up. That's better. Place it on the cookie rack, cooling rack, whatever you call it, and it's ready to serve. It's best with ketchup and no chili sauce, just plain all-time ketchup. Yummy. Our beef pastry is ready to be served. You can either eat it hot or cold. It's very nice in both ways. And thanks for watching.